Today we'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. Just follow these steps and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Just open first Google Chrome and go here like download Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. Okay guys, and click OK. Just here you can click to the first link and wait here. Okay, just now to this is just click here like this, or you can translate to English or to Russian or to German, what you have language. Okay, just click here to subscribe and just wait a second. Okay, here you can buy Creative Cloud Pro, like have Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, Adobe Premiere, all Adobes like After Effects and others, or you can buy only Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, just we need now to choose this and click to this. And now finally this, and you can go here and click here and wait now a few seconds. Just wait guys to download, and you can choose one from this. Okay, here first put here your mail and put here your, okay, I will put my mail and like this and continue. Okay, here just put your visit card like this, just this is a numbers, and here put your okay, like this maybe, okay, like this guys. Okay, and put here your name, and this is here your last name, and here your postal card. Okay, and this from French, from USA, if you're in United States, what you have. Okay guys, and here put your TVA like 19, like what you have. Okay guys, and here you can choose a PayPal, and you can just connect with your PayPal payment, and you can go to accept a abonné, confirm your mail. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.